Good evening, all of you. So I am Vinay Kumar K, the assistant professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, PDIT Hospital. So today I am going to give one brief introduction or awareness program about our AICTE Activity Point Program. So this is made mandatory by the VTU. So this is the program. So I am the coordinator, actually, the department coordinator for the given program. And the today's session I'm going to deal with some basic the awareness what is meant by activity program, and how it is dealing with, and what are the different activities that you people need to perform. So that I'm going to discuss about some hardly 30 minutes. So why we need to go for this AICTE activity point program? So being you people are from the technical background, you have the enough knowledge about the technical aspects, but these apart from the technical knowledge and skills, so to be successful as a professional students, so you people are next entering into a professional field. So at that time, as being from the professional background, should have some excellent soft skills and the leadership qualities. So these soft skills and leadership qualities will enable you people to a successful people, a successful citizen of this country. So and the team spirit, you people are need to work alone or in the form of team. So for that they should have some entrepreneur capability and social commitment. So in order to build some social commitments or some entrepreneur capability within you, so the AICTE is introduced to some points program. So VTU is also committed that. So we are following the AICTE commitments. So here, in order to match these multi-requirement, the multi-requirement, that is the technical knowledge, the skill of the people for the professional field, as well as to excellent soft skills, the leadership qualities, the entrepreneurship quality capabilities, and also some social commitment. So which is having within you. So these should be enabled now. So the AICTE has created a unique platform for you all. So that is this awarding of activity points over the academic grades. So this is the concept. So why we are going for, why actually the university or the AICTE is going for point grade program. So how? So okay. So this is the category that they have made. So this program, the AICTE Activity Point Program, is for the students who are joined to the courses during 2018-19 as well as 2019-20. So this is for those people only. So other than not 2018-19 ಇಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸೊ 18-19 and 19-20. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ the previously before pandemic, that is before the corona time, the university is made a regulation to get 100 points for the people who are joined 4 years degree course, and but they are now reduced into 50 points. So you need to get 50 points now. So for the students who are entered lateral entry, that is after clearing after from the diploma background, the students who are entering into our third semester, the lateral entry during academic year, that is 1920 as well as 2021. So such people, the students who are entering into a lateral entry for our third semester, they should get the activity points of 25. The 25 points that should have. So before it was 75. So this column gives you the activity points that is prescribed by the university before corona time, before the pandemic. So due to the time lapse, now they are reduced into 50 points and 25 points. And if any other students, they are transferred from the different colleges, so during the academic year 2021, so they should be awarded with 25 points. They should get 25 points. So this is about the brief of how much points you people need to get in order to complete your Bachelor of Engineering degree. So if you get these points, then only you are qualified, then only your degree will be awarded. So this is a mandatory. This is just like your subjects. So, but this is not a subject, this is an activity. That's why it is told as activity. And so what it contains. So what this actually the activity points. So how they are planning. So that I am going to discuss now. So this activity points earned will be reflected in the students' 8th semester marks card. So how much activity points that you people earned. So as I told now, the students entered for 4 years degree 2018 to 19 and 19 to 20, they should be get minimum 50. That is minimum. So if you people are interested and work hard, you will get a good number of points. So in order to qualify, in order to get your degree, you should get minimum 50 points. The lateral students should get minimum of 25 points. And these points will be displayed in your 8th semester marks card. And the activities can be performed anytime during the semester weekend and holidays as per the interest and convenience of the students, but minimum hours specified must be satisfied. So here there is no fixed time boundary. So you people can work during at your free time. There will be no timetable for this. So you people can work at your weekends or at your semester holidays. So before finishing of your engineering, 4 years of engineering or 3 years of engineering, so you should be having this 50 points or else 25 points. Okay. So this is mandatory, and the activity points have no effect on its SGPA or CGPA. So just like uh, just like your common subjects, it's not effect on SGPA or CGPA. So your semester subjects will be having a weightage for SGPA, CGPA, but this is a mandatory, but this don't have any effect on your CGPA or SGPA. Okay. So if you performed well, you will get good points, and if your performance is low, then also you should get minimum 50 points as well as 25 points, but these will not be affect your SGPA or CGPA. And if in case student fail to earn the prescribed activity points, that is the 4 year the students joined at 18, 19, 19, 20 for 4 years, he should get minimum of 50, and the lateral entry student that is entered in 1920 and 2021, he should get 25. If in case if he failed to earn that point, then what happens? Then 8th semester marks card shall not be issued. So this is according to the university regulations. So if in case he fails to earn the points, then the student will not be given the 8th semester marks card, and the degree certificate also. Even the degree certificate also will be issued only after the issuing of your 8th semester marks card. So because of any issues, if you fail to earn the prescribed points, then your 8th semester marks card will not be provided, because on the 8th semester marks card, the earned points will be displayed. And if in case the 8th semester marks card shall not be issued, then automatically your degree certificate will not be issued. So in order to earn the degree, you will need to get prescribed activity points. And these activity points, the program, that is AICTE activity point program, should be given with your report. Just like you people are doing mini project or in a 6th semester, and as well as the main project in your 8th semester. So at the end you will be making a report. So like that, here also you need to make a report of your activities. So what are the activities that I am going to discuss later. So for now, the report should be made. So this report of activity points earned by the students will be sent to the university. So it will be evaluated by the university regulations. So after that only you will get the results and your degree, awarding of your degree. So the activities that you are performed will be made report. And how? So as I told now, the activities. So how the activities should be made? So let's discuss, let's see that one by one. So the helping local schools to achieve good result and enhance their enrollment. in the higher or technical or vocational education. So if you are interested to work in this field, so you should be work minimum of 2 weeks or else minimum 8 to 90 hours. So like that different activities are there. So these activities will be for duration of 2 weeks. So 2 weeks is nothing but about 80 to 90 hours. So you have to spend your 80 to 90 hours per activity at your free time, whether maybe it is at weekends or else at your free time or else at your semester end vacations. So anyhow, you don't have any fixed time boundary. So within this time only you have to complete. So like that, there is no fixed time boundary. But before completion of your 8th semester, before the notification of the 8th semester examinations, you people need to complete these activities. So as early as possible, try to finish these activities very early, at least now at this stages itself. Okay. So what are so I will discuss the one by one activities. So just listen carefully, and if you have any doubts, the doubt session will be at the end. So at that time, you people can ask. So here the helping local schools to achieve the good result. So how best you can help the local schools or local any institutes to improve their achievement, improve their result and achievements. So you have to work with them and you have to give some basic ideas to them. And preparing an actionable business proposal for enhancing the village income. So if you are from the village background, so you are anyhow you are living in the village. So just think and implement how best you can implement or improve the income of your village. Okay. And developing sustainable water management system. So as you know how the water crises are taking place day by day. So for that you have to make a report, DPR. So how best you can develop the sustainability of water management systems. And tourism promotion innovative approaches. So as you people are very near to the UNESCO heritage stages, the Hampi. So how best you can promote the tourism. So that can also be your one of the activity. So promotion of your tourism approaches and promotion of appropriate technologies. So day by day the technologies are increasing, the technologies are improving. So how best you can improve the technologies. So for just basic example, so that I can give is electric vehicles. So electric vehicles are battery management systems. So or artificial intelligence. So today's that new technologies are artificial intelligence and machine language, the IoT. So these are different kind of technologies. So how best you can promote these technologies. So if you say the electric vehicles, so how best we can promote the electric vehicles. So you can discuss the advantages, disadvantages. So these kind of works. So activities that you people need to perform. And reduction in energy consumption. So since we are from the electrical background, electrical technology, the energy background, so how best we can minimize the consumption of our electricity. So you people can make a report, make an activity, and so how make any projects. So how best we can minimize the consumption of our electricity. So the reduction in energy consumption. So how best by implementing the different technologies or by reducing the different conventional methods. So like that we can improve the we can improve the technologies and as well as reduce the energy consumption. And one more thing is to skill rural population. So since the population in the rural side is density is very high, so how best we can improve the skill of the rural population? Skill set. How best we can improve the skill set? So this is a kind of an activity. And facilitating the 100% digitized money transactions. Since we are in pandemic, we are very much attached to our digital monetization, digitized monetization. So like that, if you have any good concepts or any activities, you can work on facilitating the 100% digitized money transactions. So these activities are for 2 weeks. So that is nothing but 80 to 90 hours work. So you have to show what are the different works you have carried out and make a report. The report should be of the work that you people have performed. So these individual, I'm not going to say you have to perform all these activities, depending upon your interest and depending upon your amount of points that you need to earn. So based upon that, you have to perform the activities at your free time. So some more activities are there. So like that same 80 to 90 hours and 20 activity points. Okay, digitalization of the setting of the information imparting club for women leading to contribution in social as well as in economical issues. So how best you are working with the society, how best you are implementing your knowledge or your technical knowledge or your entrepreneur skills or your skill developments into our leading to women leading and to contribute in social and economical issues. So this is a kind of activity. And developing and managing efficient garbage disposal systems. So as we know, the Hospet city is day by day is improving its beautifulness. So how best we can implement the garbage disposal system? So since the Prime Minister introduced the Swachh Bharat, so you can work with the Swachh Bharat mission. So work with the Swachh Bharat mission or work with the different NGOs or work with the any government bodies. So in order to implement these activities, okay, and to assist the marketing of rural produce. So yes, this is the best example. So since this is a pandemic, so most of the people are burying their products. So day by day that we are witnessing in our social medias as well as in our newspapers, TV channels, that the farmers are dying. The farmers are unable to sell their products. So you people can give an idea. So work with them to assist the marketing of the rural producers, the farmers. How best you can help the farmers, and food preservations and packaging. So not only just producing the food, in order to make sure that how best we can save the food, how best we can utilizing the food instead of wasting the food. So many of the in the country, many of the people are suffering from the wastage of the foods. So in order to avoid that, how best you can preserve or package the foods. This is a kind of activity. And automation of local activities. So you are working with some, for example, just for example, gudi kaigarike anta gartiyala, just like another udbati bind madodu, so candle forming, so like the different small scale industries. So what we can say small scale industries, it's a side. So how best you can help them to automate their services activities. So this is a kind of one activity. And spreading the public awareness under rural outreach programs. So you can visit the villages and work, interact with them and spread the awareness about the health or about the hygiene or whatever the things. So how best you can help the rural people to get the awareness. And the final is contribution to any national level in initiative of Government of India. So just like I have said, Swachh Bharat mission. For example, the Digital India, the Skill India, as Swachh Bharat, internship, etc. So you people can work with the different government bodies. So visit the panchayat, visit the taluk offices or Jilla Panchayat offices. So some different programs will be there. So you can be part with them as an internee. So how that is the Skill India development and Swachh Bharat mission, that Digital India. So like that different bodies are there about the state government as well as government India. So you have to work with them. So these are about the activities that is issued by the VTU. So some more as usual same looks like the same that is given by the AICT also. So I will just brief out once. Prepare, implement a plan to create local jobs. Prepare and implement plan to improve education quality in villages. The DPR, that is described project report. DPR is nothing but described project report for doubling the village income. So rural development. So there is a body in the government also. There is a body called Rural Development Board. So you people can work with them. The developing sustainable water management system. Prepare and improve a plan to improve the health parameters of villages. That is comes under also the Village Development Board, Rural Development Body. The developing and implementing of low-cost sanitization facilities. So So sanitization is very much essential in order to maintain the hygiene. So this also can work. The prepare and implement plan to promote the local tourism through innovative approaches. The implement development technology solutions which will improve the quality of life. Yes, this is the best example. So how best we can ensure we can enjoy our quality of life. So if the people living in the slums are living in the lower grounds, so how best you can help them to improve their quality of life by using your technical skills or using your social skills or using your skill developments. Okay, prepare and implement solution for energy conservation. So looks like the same. Then prepare and implement a plan to skill village youth and provide employment, that is in village side. So how you can improve the skill of the village people and provide the employment for the village people. The develop the localized techniques for the reduction in construction cost. Okay, since you are from the technical electrical background, so how best you can minimize the construction cost. So since you are from the village engineering people, so you have to think, you have to use your brains to how best you can minimize the construction cost or transmission. Okay, implement plan of sustainable growth of village, setting of information imparting club for women leading to contribute in social and economics. So women empowerment. So how you are working with the women empowerment. So this is the one activity. Developing and managing efficient garbage waste. Okay. Contribution to any national level, that is Digital India, Skill India. So these are the different activities. Okay. So this is about activity program. So you people can work alone, or you people can make 3 to 4 or 5 people group. So take one activity and work with the activity and make a brief report of them, which should be having your, if you are working with any NGOs, so just like I told, should attach the certificates that you worked with them, and if you get any awards as a best internee, so you need to attach the awardee certificates and the pictures that you have to take while working with them, so attach that and a report. So what was there before you are going into that places, and what is the solution, that what are the problems that you have observed, and what is the solution that you have made, what you have given, and what changes that occurred after implementing your plans. So these should be in your report with the brief, small about some pages. So this should be valued by the committee. And again, I am telling repeatedly that this is mandatory in order to award your degree, just like your project works. So without completing of your projects, that is final semester projects or the 6th semester projects, you are unable to get the degree. So like that also, this activity program, you have to earn the points according to the VTU rules in order to award your degree. So there is no fixed time boundary. You have to complete this within your 4 years of engineering, who are joined at 2018, 19 and 1920, and the students who are entered to admitted with the lateral entry in the academic year 1920 and 2021. So they should be awarded, they should earn minimum 50 points and 25 points respectively. So this is about the presentation. So if you people are need to ask anything, now you can ask.